How to manage pricing in booking.com. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to discuss about managing pricing on booking.com. So to manage the pricing using your calendar, you need to set a nightly rate for each available room or unit with a assigned rate plan. This will make them visible and bookable on your platform. You can adjust the prices in either list or monthly view on your extranet calendar. And in the list view, locate the room or unit you want to update in the rate plan row and then change the price in the relevant cell. To set the prices for multiple dates, you can either drag the slider on the calendar or use the bulk edit function. And in the monthly view, you can select the room whose price you want to update, click on the desired date, ensuring it is marked as open, and then edit the price under the rate section. For the corresponding rate plans, if your property caters to the specific type of guest, like families, couples, or groups, you can create tailored pricing rules for different traveler categories using the pricing per guest feature. If you're using a connectivity provider, it's best to manage all the property updates through them instead of using your extranet calendar to ensure that changes are saved correctly. So you're now ready to effectively manage the pricing using your calendar. And for additional support, you can check the resources at partner.booking.com. And don't forget, if you want to manage your property conveniently from your phone, you can use the Pulse app. You can also visit the extranet to adjust the pricing. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can manage pricing in booking.com. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.